Recently, we asked you on our Facebook page as well as the YouTube community tab what kind of promotions you're seeing when it comes to Uber and Lyft. Let's see what you got to say. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And let's see what promotions you're seeing, if any, when it comes to Uber and Lyft. So we asked you recently, what types of quests are you seeing in your market? And we had a couple of pictures that showed, well, some markets were getting really good offers and other markets weren't getting really anything. So let's look at a few of the things that you've said. So Rashawn said they haven't seen those types of quests since 2020 in New York City. So that's unfortunate. Greg said the last quest I saw in Atlanta was over $30 in July of 2020. So that seems quite low as well, too. Here in Orlando, I get them, but I wish they were like lifts, where once you reach the first level, you can keep moving towards the other goal. However, with Uber, you have to choose a level, and that's it. Say you choose one level, 60 to 70 rides, but because of bad weather and nothing going on, you only get 50. But because you choose the other level, then you're not going to get anything. And that's actually a really good point there is on Lyft, you do get a stepped tiered bonus. So if you give so many rides, you get a bonus. If you continue on, you get more. With Uber, if you pick it and choose it, but you don't actually get to it because of whatever possible reason, yeah, you're not getting any bonus. So it is unfortunate in that circumstance. Shirley stated 80 rides, $310 in Orange County, California, but it's been slow the week, hoping that it's going to get better for next week. Jay Martinez said Portland, Vancouver, Washington's pretty good. Monday through Friday was 20 rides for 55, 30 for 75, and you can make up to 200 extra from Monday to Friday in the 40 to 60 ride category, which is very doable. And then Friday to Monday coming this week is very good, where it's 20 trips for 65, 30 trips for 100, 40 trips for 140, 50 trips for 190, 60 trips for 250. Then going on, Use Critical Thinking says you're getting 20 trips for 40 and up. Then Eric says excellent ones. Eric, what are you seeing? Let us know. Alexander says 30 trips for $15 in Dallas, Fort Worth. Raul is seeing 90 trips for 440 in Southern Cali. Tyler is stating zero quest, been a driver for 3 weeks, 40 hours per week, and zero quest. Then look at Ronnie, 62, said 60 trips for $245. That's the lowest. And then Dooley right here states 100 rides, $810. Not too bad there. And then again, other places are not seeing anything. So I didn't even get a quest this week. Nada in Tucson. And Ronald stated like picture one, which was some of the lowball offers that we posted on our community tab. And those that are commenting on the Facebook page are stating the exact same thing. Either they're not seeing any promotions coming in, or they're seeing some lowball, some medium offers, or even some good offers. It's just depending on the market, and it's depending on supply and demand. How many drivers are in your area? How many rides are coming in? How many overall? And they're kind of compiling it and figuring it out that way. And it can really differ between Uber and Lyft when it comes to what types of promotions are available for that particular time frame, week, or whatever. And now, what are you seeing? Are you seeing something similar to what people are saying? Are you seeing more promotions or quests compared to in the past? Are you seeing less? What are you seeing and the changes that you're experiencing when driving? Comment below and let us know. Now, if you think that Uber's quests should be very similar to Lyft in the term of having it like a stepped tiered bonus versus you pick it and if you don't get it, you lose it type thing, then smash that like button. Also, subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time new videos come out, including when we ask you different questions on our Facebook page and on our YouTube community tab, giving feedback to what's going on in your market, and maybe you might see yourself on one of our videos. All right, everyone, drive safe.